I do believe we are in part 4 of the video, so we'll do a quick turntable to show you guys how cool she is. And there she is in all her glory. Aini doll. There you go. I do believe that she still fits perfectly on there as she did in the past. We will have to set her up so that she connects to the network and all that good stuff. She looks great. We'll put on a hairpiece for her and all that good stuff. So you guys can enjoy that soon too. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed these unboxing bits and pieces of the video. And I will see you all in the next one with more stuff and with the robot set up so that we can see how she reacts to the network and all that stuff. So anyway, this is what we have, and I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you all in the next one.